Purvi Gunasundaro Radhikavai Tadalai Krishnaro Krishnavakaro Advakaro Jaya Rupa Sanatan Bhatta Raghunath Shri Gopal Bhatto Das Raghunath Shri Sai Gosai Pari Charanandan Jahavriti Vignanaša Vistapuran Mancha Kalpataripascha Kripa Sindhudya Evacha Patitanang Pavanibho Vaishnavibho Namo Namaha. Jai Sri Radhe. Today I want to speak you about bhakti or devotion. This bhakti or devotion is one kind of spiritual God's power, very strong power. God's spiritual power, three kinds. One is Rajni power, that means pleasure or happiness power, and one is Samvik power, means knowledge power, and one is existence power, Sandhini power. These three power. These three power work is this Rajni or pleasure or happiness power mixed with knowledge power and become bhakti or devotion. And knowledge power, that is come devotees, knowledge, feeling, everything. And existence power comes this dham and God followers, etc. To exist that happiness power and knowledge power mixed is devotion, bhakti. This bhakti is very powerful, strong. Our mother Shruti told that bhakti vainam nanati, bhakti vainam darshayati, bhakti vasa purusha, bhakti bhuyosi. That means bhakti that bring God to devotee. So devotee God's lila, God's beauty, everything, and become God to devotees always control. So powerful is the devotion or bhakti. What is the means of bhakti? Bhakti means of bhajan. And bhajan means is God, Sri Krishna name chanting, His Leela listening, Leela chanting, thinking, and offering flower, tulsi to God's lotus feet, offering bhog, etc. God's obeisance to God, that all direct devotion or direct bhakti. But when these bhajan do devotee, that time not stay his heart any material desire. If any material desire stay that time sadhuk's heart, that then cannot come devotion or bhakti to sadhuk's heart. Because where is sunlight, there is no dark. And where is dark, there is no sunlight. So where is Maya, this material desire, there is no bhakti. Devotion is like sunlight. So sadhak should his heart always keep that God's service, God's seva. Because without that desire not come bhakti sadhak heart. Because devotion want God's service, God's seva and God's happiness. So when sadhakas stay God's seva, desire, God's happiness desire, that time the devotion comes to sadhakas. Otherwise cannot come. Further reason, devotion should at first sadhu sangha. Sadhu sangha associate with devotee or sadhu mahatma, then his heart clean their darshan and their advice, and they gradually give up their material desire and come gradually their heart God's desire, God's seva desire. And then sadhu kripa and sadhu sangha, harikatha, their heart come Shraddha. What is the Shraddha? That is seed of Bhakti Bhajan. Shraddha is belief to God, God's Leela and this God's mercy, everything. Then that sadhak see all this world like a ocean of suffering. And there are only one ship, that is the devotion, and there only one solar, he is Guru. So then sadhak take shelter to Guru's lotus feet, and that Guru, Sadguru, Sampradaya Guru, because devotion come, that one channel, that is this devotion path channel from Krishna to Guru, there every place Guru Parampara. That Guru Parampara, who has Guru Parampara, that Sadguru takes shelter, they sadhak and take nutrition and do bhajan. Then satsanga and bhajan, name chanting, everything, gradually his heart clean, and then gradually come bhakti. This every power is heart. And gradually his art anartha destroy, and then sadhakat come nishtha. Nishtha means that time sadhak can do bhajan always. Always do bhajan, and that after that come to ruchi. Ruchi means is God's name and God's leela listening, everything, every bhajan become very tasteful. And then actually this material all attachment from sadhak heart go give up his heart or material attachment. Come God's and God's leela and devotion attachment. Then after sadhak heart come to asakti. Ruchi is subject of devotion and asakti is subject of your God. God's attachment come to sadhak heart then, and then come bhav. Bhav means is like when coming rise sun, before sun rise, this world coming sunlight, like that prem is like sun and bhav is that light, clear then is heart. And after then come about them. When come prem, that is actually devotion, and devotion is very, very tasteful. The prem and prem taste give taste to God's nectar, God's leela, everything very nice. And then sadhak obtain God's lotus feet is on seva, and this devotion that time fill up full.